Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili oil sauce, only way. Heat 1 cup of neutral oil until shimmering, then gently pour over 3 tablespoons of chili flakes and toasted spices. Let the mixture sizzle and bloom to release flavor, then cool slightly before stirring in minced garlic and a pinch of salt. Taste and adjust spice or salt, then transfer to a jar for at least 1 hour to develop. Warm oil gently over medium-low heat and watch for a faint shimmer. Never let it smoke. Add dried chilies and whole spices in batches so each piece browns evenly, using a slotted spoon to catch sizzling fragments. Pour the hot oil over your chili, mix in a heat-proof bowl so the flavors bloom immediately. Stir once, then let the oil rest so the solids infuse without continuing to cook, preserving bright flavor. Cool the jarred chili oil to room temperature, seal tightly, and refrigerate for up to 3 months for best flavor and safety. Spoon the oil over noodles, dumplings, grilled vegetables, or eggs to add heat and aroma, or stir a teaspoon into dressings and marinades. Always use a clean, dry spoon to avoid contamination, and gently warm the jar if the oil solidifies so it pours smoothly without losing texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.